In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Teams. If you're looking for a way to streamline your project management and communication process, this integration is a game changer. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, it's important to ensure you have the Clickup and Teams applications installed and set up on your devices. Both platforms offer robust features for improving productivity, but their true power comes out when they're working together. So, let's make sure you're all set before we proceed. Now, with both apps ready to go, open Microsoft Teams on your device. Once you're in Teams, direct your attention to the left side of the interface where you'll find the apps icon. Click on it. This will take you to a new screen displaying a variety of apps you can integrate with Teams. Using the search bar at the top, type in Clickup. As you type, you should see Clickup pop up in the results. Click on the Clickup app to continue. Next, you'll arrive at a screen introducing Clickup's integrations with Teams, explaining what you can do once they're connected. Here, click on the Add button. This step is critical as it establishes the initial connection between Clickup and Teams, allowing them to communicate directly with each other. Once you've added Clickup, Teams will prompt you to sign in to your Clickup account. If you haven't created an account yet, take a moment to do so. Signing in will link your Clickup workspace with Teams. It's essential for both apps to work in sync effectively, ensuring your tasks and projects are well coordinated. After signing in, the integration will ask you to authorize permissions. This step is crucial for granting Microsoft Teams access to your Clickup tasks and projects. Review the permissions carefully and understand why they're needed. Once satisfied, click Authorize. With permissions authorized, you'll then see Clickup appear as a tab in your Teams interface. Clicking on this tab will display your Clickup tasks and lists directly within Teams. This integration sets the stage for enhanced coordination, making project management more seamless than ever. Remember, any changes you make to tasks in Teams will reflect in Clickup and vice versa. This bidirectional sync ensures everyone stays on the same page without bouncing between multiple apps. A handy tip: use this setup to streamline your recurring tasks management, updates, and follow-ups. It will save you time and prevent having information scattered across platforms. With everything configured, you're now ready to experience the seamless workflow that comes with integrating Clickup with Teams. This setup will not only boost your productivity but also enhance team collaboration, ensuring that everyone is in sync no matter where they're working from. Thanks for joining us today, and happy integrating!